We're going to go through a 5-minute strategy that can help you launch your app successfully and then grow your app strategically. And this is something that I want you to do before you do anything else with your no-code app. And make sure you stick around until the end because, again, this is only 5 minutes and it can make a massive difference in the overall success of your app. Now, first, if you're new around here, my name is Kristen and I'm the co-founder of Coaching No Code Apps, where we help business owners and industry experts build custom apps to either start their app-based businesses or grow their existing businesses, all without coding. So let's jump into this strategy. This is something that I see a lot of people struggle with. And what ends up happening is they build an app that's way too big, and either they don't end up launching because it's just too much, they can't get it working, they never finish it, whatever it may be, or when they do launch it, it's something that they find their users don't actually want, and then it's hard to pinpoint why, and that leads to other problems. And really, if you just follow this strategy, it's a much simpler approach to launching your app. So the first thing I want you to understand is that you need to be solving a problem. And you need to be solving a single core problem with your app. Now, a lot of people try to solve lots of different problems. They want to build an app that's really big, that does a ton of different things, and that's fine, but at the core, you have to identify a single core problem that your app solves, and you need to identify the single core outcome you want to give your users, or the single core outcome that users are looking for. Now, your app is what packages up the solution. Your app is the solution. So identify the single core problem. You want to build your app to solve that, and your app provides the single core outcome. So if you can't identify one single root problem that you are solving, you need to stop and think more about this. You should be able to explain the single core problem that your app is solving in less than a sentence, and you should be able to do the same with that single core outcome. So let's say you are building a job board app. The easiest thing to say might be that you're helping solve a problem where companies need to find people to hire and applicants need to find companies to work for. But that's not a single core problem. What is actually the single core problem? Well, if you think about who the app is really being built for, that would be companies, because unless companies are on the apps, then those applicants or the other user type would have no reason to use the app. So really the single core problem would be related to the companies, and that is that companies have a hard time finding applicants or finding employees to fill their open roles or whatever it may be. So you can see that even on the outside, it might seem like it's hard to narrow down to a single core problem, but you need to, because it's going to help dictate how you build your app and when you launch your app in phases. So the next thing I want you to kind of understand is that your app can really be built in layers, and it should be built in layers. So we have this first layer here where we're solving a single core problem and we're providing a single core outcome with our app. So our app is being built for that single core problem, for that single core outcome. Now, after you've done that, you can start adding on the next layer. So what are the other problems related to that single core problem? Well, in our job board app, for example, we have the other side of the picture, the applicants. Well, applicants have a hard time connecting with companies, for example. So the next problem would be to solve that problem for the applicants, right? And so now we have our second problem, and we have our second outcome, because that outcome is different from the previous one. And again, our app is what connects these two. It's what solves the problem and provides that outcome. So in this second layer here, You are building the app for this second problem and this second outcome. And once you've done that, you can move on to the next problem and the next outcome. And in reality, your app can solve lots of different problems, and it can solve lots of different problems for different user types. And your app can provide lots of different outcomes, and it can provide different outcomes for different user types. But you can't build everything at once. You can't solve all the problems and provide all the outcomes all at once, because when you do that, you're not able to test correctly. You're not able to launch and expand your app correctly. It's really hard to test an app like that, both internally and externally, both from a development standpoint and from a user testing standpoint, getting feedback, taking beta users through the app. It's hard to even launch an app like this in the first place, just because there are an infinite number of problems that you can be solving, outcomes that you can be providing, but you need to strip it down and simplify it and make sure that you're starting with the right core problem, the right core outcome, and then layering on strategically from there. So if you follow this strategy, you'll be able to build and launch your app much more quickly. You'll be able to pinpoint exactly what you need to be building and when, and you'll be able to get the right feedback at the right time so you can add on the right layers. All right, so I hope that's helpful for you. Again, a really quick strategy that can solve so many different problems with the development and the launch of your app. So go through that. And if you want to dive way deeper into this, we have a free 75-minute training that you can join in and put the right strategy in place for your app. Whether you've started your development already with your no-code app or not, go through this workshop, and it's going to help you make sure you're moving forward in the right direction, in the most strategic direction. So you can head to coachingnocodeapps.com/workshop and join us there. All right, again, I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.